Alright, here's the script. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk you through how to allow Discord to access your photos on your iPhone. It's easier than you think. This is based on my own experience, so hopefully, it helps you out. Okay, so the first method involves heading over to your iPhone settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the list of your apps. Find Discord in that list and tap on it. Now right at the top, you should see something that says, Photos. Tap on that. You'll get a few options. You can choose None, Limited Access, or Full Access. We're going for Full Access here, so tap on that. A little pop-up will appear. Just confirm by clicking Allow Full Access. Boom! Discord now has full access to your photo library when you use it. Now, let's look at a second way to do this. Again, start in your iPhone settings app. This time, scroll down to Privacy and Security, and tap on that. Then, scroll down a little bit until you find Photos, and tap on it. You'll see a list of apps that are requesting access to your photos. Find Discord in that list, and tap on it. Just like before, you'll be presented with the same None, Limited Access, or Full Access options. Select Full Access and then confirm in the pop-up by tapping Allow Full Access. And that's it. Now, no matter which method you use, Discord will have full access to your photos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps us out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. You can find any relevant links in the description. Thanks for watching.